If you are planning to get married in Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood, Coral Springs, or anywhere in Broward County, you need to apply for your marriage license through the Broward County Clerk of Courts. But you do not need to pay full price. And if you are a Florida resident, you absolutely do not need to wait 3 days to have your ceremony. Hi, I'm Kristen Franzen, Clinical Director at Cadenza Counseling. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact Broward County process, what documents you need, and a legal loophole to save $25 on your application fee. First, let's look at the highly specific local cost. The standard fee for a marriage license at the Broward County Clerk's office is $86. However, if you complete an approved 4-hour Florida premarital preparation course, like the official program we offer at Cadenza Counseling, the county is legally required to reduce your fee by exactly $25. That brings your total cost at the courthouse down to just $61. Beyond saving money, there is a major time-saving benefit for locals. Under Florida state law, if either you or your partner is a Florida resident, you are forced to wait 3 days after getting your license before you can legally get married. But if you present our course certificate when you apply, the clerk will instantly waive that mandatory wait. You could legally get married the exact same day you walk out of the building. To get this $25 discount and waive your waiting period, you just need to take our state-approved online course. At Cadenza Counseling, our official Florida course is entirely self-paced and 100% online. You can access it from your phone or laptop, pause whenever you need, and pick it right back up. Best of all, our course is only $14.49. There are no hidden fees, and your official certificate is generated instantly the moment you finish. When you are ready to apply, both you and your partner must appear together in person. You can visit the main central courthouse on SE 6th Street in downtown Fort Lauderdale, or you can visit any of the regional courthouses in Deerfield Beach, Hollywood, or Plantation. Hand the clerk your printed Cadenza Counseling certificate, along with valid government-issued photo IDs, like a driver's license or passport, and know your social security numbers. Keep in mind that Broward County does not accept personal checks. They will verify your certificate, apply your $25 discount, and issue your active license right there. To claim your $25 Broward County discount and skip the waiting period, click the link in the description below to register for our official Florida premarital preparation course. You can finish it at your own pace and print your certificate today. If you have any questions about the Fort Lauderdale or Broward County marriage license process, let me know in the comments below. Congratulations on your wedding!